Medvarsity is a purpose-led brand. Our brand purpose is to impact healthcare through education. Brand Medvarsity, which has evolved into Asia's largest healthcare edtech company, isn't just owned by 200 of us working here at Medvarsity, but by over 300,000 alumni, 50,000 active learners in over 177 countries, 70 plus hospital partners, 200 plus faculties, and over 15 academic partners. We all take pride in our work and our vision. Doctors and other healthcare professionals that look at our programs either for employability or for career growth or for better earning capability within the network, we understand this. Therefore, everything that we do here at Medvarsity, we ensure we're able to meet our learners' expectations and objectives. This helps us to invoke the sense of pride and trust in Medvarsity. At Medvarsity, we not only prepare healthcare professionals to excel and grow in their career, but we also prepare them to be job ready, role ready, and future ready. This change and the impact that we are creating is the most satisfying outcome of everything that we do at Medvarsity.
Human resources at Medvarsity plays a major role to spread the right message to the society. We partner with employees in the life cycle of hire to retire. We hire talent not based on skills alone, but for their passion and attitude. We give training to all employees so that they perform well in their roles. With regards to academic counselors, we give them training on all the courses so that they can advise the right course to the prospective students. And the same goes for all in the operations and back-end jobs. With regards to medical professionals who join us to make an alternate career, are given opportunity to perform well in their roles by using their skill and knowledge. Hence, we make sure that all our employees stay as ambassadors to spread the thought of impacting healthcare through education in their roles.
With over 2 decades in the game, we have a deep understanding of healthcare education. A large pool of clinical experts, key partnerships with educational institutions, and associations with prestigious hospitals across the globe, and probably the most important and an extremely dedicated internal team of content producers, sales managers, marketeers, tech heads, and such. Our team takes pride in putting the hours to create better learning for healthcare professionals, and the trust of our stakeholders, students, alumni, partners, and such keep us both motivated and on our toes to ensure that all our products, services, and solutions are relevant, innovative, and we deliver beyond expectations. That's our impact.
At Medvarsity, we offer more than 160 courses across clinical and management areas for doctors, nurses, and general management professionals. These courses cover specialties like diabetes, emergency medicine, cardiology, nutrition, wellness, healthcare informatics, mental health, NABH, and telemedicine, among others. Similarly, our partnerships with leading universities globally enable us to present the best courses and faculty to our students to help them meet their learning goals. Post-COVID, we have seen a tenfold rise in active learners on our platform. Healthcare professionals now understand that online learning is not a choice, but a necessity. Many of our alumni are now top professionals working across leading hospitals and are contributing towards better patient outcomes and improved quality of life.
At Medvarsity, we know that doctors and healthcare professionals have big plans for their career. They have to be lifelong learners in medical education. Most of them need financing to invest in their learning. That's where we come in. We have partnered with leading financial institutions to simplify the process of educational loans that are simple and cover their program fees. Currently, 20% of our enrolled students have sought financing assistance from us. This allows our students to spend more time focusing their course and less time worrying about how to finance for it.
India currently has 5 million healthcare professionals, and therefore we can do much more than what we have done so far. And the healthcare industry is so dynamic in nature that it throws up challenges every day, like it did during the current pandemic. So it makes us more responsible and motivates us to do the best we can. With the same idea, we created the Medvarsity Enterprise. The objective is to reach out to all the healthcare organizations and offer our solution to all the healthcare professionals who are part of the ecosystem. We are now a major partner of pharma industry for their brand planning and hospitals for their learning and development needs. We are committed to the society, to the world, and the entire healthcare fraternity. We are committed to the betterment of healthcare through education.